Hello and welcome to this video in the Python tutorial video series. In this video, we're going to talk about the match statement in Python. And basically, match is also known as switch statement in other languages and mainly in C++ and Java. But in Python, it's called match. And also, this feature is available after Python 3.10. So basically, if you have a version that is older than 3.10, you need to update it, or you can just use the if and else statements, or you can update your Python version. And mainly, if you're using VS Code, you can check the Python version using this command, Python and then version, and it will print out the version of your Python. And if you're not using VS Code, you can just type this command on CMD or terminal or whatever. And yeah, so regarding the match statement, first, as we learned before in the previous video, we can have if and else and else if like this. So basically, what does this code? What this code do is, as it asks the user for a number between 1 and 4, and then it will cast this number because as you know, I have a previous video that explains how to use input and how to get the data from the user, and input basically returns a string. So the number that the user will enter will become a string first, and then I need to cast it to become an integer. And if the number is 1, so basically the numbers are the seasons of the year. So if it's 1, I will print fall, winter, fall, and then if it's 2, winter, and then spring, summer. And if the user enters another number, it will print invalid number. Now, if I want to replace this code with a match statement, the syntax of the match statement is as follows. So we put the keyword match, and then we put the variable that will be responsible, or will detect which case to go. So basically it's A in our case, and then we will start stating the cases. So first we have a case when A is equal to 1. So case A1, or case 1, we need to print fall. Case 2, print winter before spring. Case 3, we need to print spring. And lastly, or before the last, case 4, print summer. And if the user enter another number which is used by an underscore, so to represent another number that is not available before in the cases before, we use the underscore, and which is equivalent to a default in switch statement in other languages. Anyways, in Python we have it like this: case underscore colon, print invalid number. Okay, so let's comment this out and let's test this code. So basically, first I need to enter a number between 1 and 4, so let's enter 2, and it should print winter. Okay, let's enter 2, and it printed out winter. And of course, if you have case 2, you can enter as many statements or processing or whatever as you want in the case 2. So basically, if A is 2, all these codes, all these statements, whatever here, all these will be processed or executed, and then all other cases will be skipped. So basically I entered 2, so it comes to here first. Match A, case 1. Is A 1? No, skip. Case is 2? Yes, so execute these lines, and then we have case 3, 4, and the underscore, which is the default, they will be skipped. So let's print something here, end of the code. Let's delete this stuff. So let's try 3. So yes, spring, and then summer and fall and winter are skipped, and we will print out enter of the end of the code. And let's try to enter an invalid number. So let's enter 5, for example, and it mentioned invalid number and end of the code. So yep, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.